Depending on where you buy your boat lift motor from, just like anything else, you might occasionally need to do some repairs on it to keep it working smoothly. I'm going to walk you through some basic repairs for your boat lift motor today and give you some advice on how to fix your boat lift motor if you're having any issues with it. Before we get into it though, if you still have any questions after this video, I want you to head over to liftmarine.com or call me using the phone number on the screen. I'd be happy to help you out. Bluetooth and wireless remote control programming. Remove cover and press the button following the instructions. Board change for the Bluetooth upgrade. Remove the motor cover in a safe area to ensure you don't lose any parts. Then take a picture of the board and the location of the few wires so it's easy to put it back in. Moving motor to a different lift. Just make sure you contact me so you get the correct adapter for the install kit, liftmarine.com, or give me a call. If you need any more information or have any questions at all, contact me personally and I'd be happy to help. All my info is linked down below.